If you're looking to sell digital advertising packages with Vendasta, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through how to leverage this powerful platform to boost your sales efforts, streamline your workflow, and help your clients get the results they need. Stick around to the end, because I've got an exclusive offer that will allow you to use this software for free. Let's dive in. First off, Vendasta is a platform that helps you create and manage digital advertising packages for your clients. It provides an all-in-one solution for selling services like digital ads, social media management, and reputation management. Whether you're working with small businesses or larger clients, this platform can help you streamline the entire sales process. Next, the key feature that makes Vendasta stand out is its marketplace. Here, you can easily browse a wide range of pre-built products and services that you can package up and sell to your clients. This eliminates the guesswork, and you don't have to spend time creating your own advertising campaigns from scratch. You can simply choose a product, customize it to your client's needs, and start selling. The third thing to mention is Vendasta's CRM system, which makes managing your clients and leads incredibly easy. You can track conversations, monitor customer success, and follow up on sales opportunities all in one place. This helps you stay organized and focused on closing deals instead of juggling multiple tools. Next, Vendasta offers automated marketing campaigns. You can set up email and social media campaigns for your clients, which saves you a lot of time and effort. Plus, the platform gives you detailed reporting, so your clients can see exactly what's working and where improvements need to be made. This data can be incredibly valuable in demonstrating ROI and keeping your clients happy. The fifth thing to note is that Vendasta is designed for agencies of all sizes. Whether you're a solopreneur or part of a larger agency, the platform is scalable and adaptable to your needs. Plus, you'll have access to customer support and a wealth of resources to help you succeed. Lastly, let's talk about pricing. Vendasta offers a subscription model with no long-term commitments, so you can start offering digital advertising packages without the worry of expensive upfront costs. Plus, I've got a special deal for you. Use the first link below to get an exclusive extended free trial. You can try out all of the platform's features at no cost and see how it works for your business. In conclusion, if you're serious about selling digital advertising packages and want to scale your business, Vendasta is a platform that can help. From its vast marketplace of pre-built products to its powerful CRM and automated marketing tools, Vendasta makes it easier than ever to create, sell, and manage digital advertising campaigns for your clients. Don't forget to check the link below for an exclusive extended free trial and start using Vendasta today. Thanks for watching.